Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a PayPal button on Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you can either select a blank site, a template provided by the Google Sites, or a recent site that you've been working on. Let's choose this for example. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go to the right corner of the screen and click on Embed, and click on Embed Code. After that, we're going to open a new tab, and on the new tab, type elfsite.com. This would bring you to this site right here where you can download or get the code needed for a PayPal button. So, from here, we're going to click on the top left on Widgets, and then wait for it. Click on See All Widgets. After that, there would be a search bar on the right corner. Search PayPal. And once you see the option, click on it. And then click Create Widget for free. After that, we can select a template that we want to use for our site. Either checkout, pay with PayPal, donation, subscription. Then, once you picked, click on Continue with this template, and then Add to Website for free. From here, we're going to put in the email where we would send the payments. Then we would check what is the payment type. Is it a checkout, a donation, subscription? Pick a localization. Ours is set in the United States. The currency, the price, and even include shipping fee if needed. And once you're done with all of that, click on Publish. Once your button is published, select Close. And then, you would see this on your screen. Now, click here. And then, click on Embed Code. After this, you have to see this button and click on it. Copy code. Go back to your Google Sites, paste it here, and then click on Next. After that, click on Insert, and you now have a PayPal button on your site. And there you have it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!